Hello creative designers, welcome on today's tutorial on how to add this download now button all for free. The button you are going to create is when you click on it, it just pop up on download and you download the file. Welcome on today's tutorial. My name is Peter. Let's get into action and we do it live. What we need to do is we go to the dashboard, and on the sidebar we scroll to the plugin section, and on hover you see we have these three options. We click on the add new. You'll be directed to this plugin library, and you need to search the plugin that you're going to use in this tutorial. The plugin is called Easy Media WordPress Download. Here we have it. It's called Easy Media Download from now 986. It has more than 20,000 active installation. You can see last updated 2 weeks ago before I did this tutorial. So we install the plugin. After successful installation, we activate the plugin. So after the activation, we need to create a post where we have to add this button, this download now button. So instead of creating one, let's edit the one I have already. So I will use this my download test button. I edit. So you need to come and add a line, or wherever you want to add the button. You can create something like, let's say, price. You just highlight this word and make it in bold. Let's make it something to look like something professional. You see price is free, and click and download link. So this is where we are going now to add our button. So what you need to do, use the link in the description I have provided to just direct you to this Easy Media WordPress download plugin page, where you have the shortcodes that you are going to use. The shortcode make it so easy. You can use it anywhere, you can fix it anywhere, even if you are using maybe Elementor or whichever the plugin you are using. All you need is just copy this shortcode. We start with a simple one, and you come and paste it here. Let's paste it. There you have it. The next thing you need to do is the file that you want to be downloaded, maybe a PDF or the picture or whatever it is. It need to be on zip file. So you need to create a zip file. So let me open my dashboard, and I need to create one and upload one. So you go to media, select library. If you don't have, for me I have one zip file. You need to have your file on zip file. So on click you have this URL. You need to copy this URL link. I copy the link, and the next thing is you come and edit here. You need to skip the semicolons and delete this link here and put the link you have just copied from that section. So let me delete, and I paste the copy, the link. This is the link that we copied, and we come and paste it here, and then we update. Let's view our post. Here we have the download button. On click, you see it just our download videos will pop up, and all you need it to save. That's the first way you can add. What if you just want to customize it? There are so many shortcuts they have provided, and I'm gonna show you in few. So what if you want to add this free download link, free download text in your download the button? So all you need is copy this shortcode. Let me copy this small, copy this text and free download like that. I copy, and I come on the link, on the button link here on my post, and I add some space and I paste. After I paste, I update. So I refresh the page. You see now it have added the text free download. The previous button we had, let me just remove this word and review. Let's update and view before we added the text free download. You see it was download now, but you want to change this. The text is you paste the way I've shown. You just have to add the text equals into semicolon, start the semicolon, free download, and close your text, and you update. The other way you can customize the button label. The next way I just want to show you is how to change this color, the button color, to something else. What you need to do is you come and copy, you add this text color equals to dark red. You just copy out. Don't worry about all this. I'll include all this information in my description. All you just need to do is copy and paste in your project. So I come here again, I add the text color darker. I want to move this red color darker. I want to change it and use another color. So I want it to be dark green. I copy dark green here and I paste it there and I update. So it will be a free download, but now the text, the background of the button will be dark green. Let's view the project. We refresh the page. You see now it turns green. You can customize the way you want using this or all these shortcuts. Maybe if you want a blue 3, they have provided a lot of button color. You can select and paste. All you need to do is change this word here, and to change the color of your button. Let's refresh and see if it has changed. You see it just changed the color to this orange, the dark orange, or whichever it is. The next thing I'm gonna show you is how to increase the width, even the height. So you're not going only to add the width itself. You are going to add width plus height. So what you need to do, you need to come and copy this width 100%, copy it, add to this link also here, space, and you add. I don't want the width to be, I want 100, I want the width to be 50. And I also want to add some height here. I do a space. Yeah, here I have the height. It is, yeah, and you paste. After that, update. Then I refresh. You see the button is a height of 100 pixel and a 50 pixel in width. So we need to increase our width to 100 or 200. Let me use 200 by 50 because the height is good, and I update. Let me refresh my page again. You see the button now is on 200 pixel, and you can see how it really look good. You can use all these all these shortcode to create much and create button more than I have just created. If you want to use these color codes, all you need to do is copy this color code. You can also copy this of all the shortcode, and you come delete this one, paste the code. The next thing you need to come is go to media, copy the URL again, come remove this text here, now paste your code and update. Refresh. That's how you can customize your button, your download button. It can be used even to download the PDF, or you can use it maybe to create a downloadable link with a button. That's the lesson for today. Remember, I'm going to I'm going to include all these shortcodes in my description. You can check on them. All you need to do is follow the instruction I've shown you, copy the code and paste it, or in anywhere you just want to use the download button link on your website, maybe in a post or wherever you want to use it. My name is Peter. I'm glad to have you. Remember to hit the subscribe button for this video, for this channel, for more tutorials that are going to follow. You can activate the notification for you to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you.